these kinds of differences that were present naturally, and that you could end up producing difference within the same species that were this massive. It's really quite stunning. Second concept, and I'm closing in on it. Structure and function. Basic units of structure define the function of all things. And if I'm a whole animal person, basically I can do the bird wings and the legs and the arms and the whatever. But if I am a cellular, molecular person, I can do this game. How many of you have heard of folded? A lot of you have heard of folded, which is really, it's one of these massively online games, massively multiplayer gaming, and it involves people all over the world who are engaged in the process of protein folding. Now, I know you think that I have lost my mind. But in fact, I think that they have one of the most clever structures in place. They start out, if you read the text that is under here, they start out, and it's written in a very accessible way. What is protein folding? They're kind of like, what is protein folding and why should I care? It starts out, what is a protein? And it says, what are amino acids? Because it works people through in a systematic way. What shape will a protein fold into? Why is shape important? This lock and key kind of a concept that is actually engaged here. And they provide familiar examples to people in terms of saying, what do proteins do? You know, amylates, alcohol dehydrogenase, I can imagine that college students are familiar with that. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, basically, hemoglobin is a personal issue with me because I'm a sickle cell carrier. With one substitution, essentially, half of my molecules don't fold in a way that they can carry oxygen that well. And under stress, stress being not stress, but at high altitude, things like this, I have problems. So that's why I said this is personal. Hemoglobin is personal to me. The folding, fibrin, involved in wound healing. But they provide enough examples for people that they can know that, they have a personal relationship with hemoglobin, with proteins. So then they say, why is this game important? What big problems is the game tackling? Protein structure prediction and protein design. How does my gameplay contribute to curing disease? And in fact, it has. These are cases where people have been able to solve protein folding problems that biochemists have been working on for years and have not been able to solve it, and the people are able to solve it in much less time. There are just people for whom these patterns they see them, and they are able to contribute to important cures